Hi there. So what we will do in this video is remove one column from a data frame, then we will see how to remove two columns or more, and finally how to remove rows from a data frame. And let's go to the first exercise. We have these and we want these. We want to remove the star rank column. And we will do our code here, okay? So DataFrame.drop star rank, that is at x is 1, it is a column, and in place is equals to true because we don't want to make a new copy of this data frame. Let's print these and we can run these, and we got this output. We have the original data frame and the remove one column without the star rank. So the first parameter answers the question remove what? The second parameter answers the question is it a row or a column? And the third parameter answers the question change original data frame, and we are saying yes. Now let's see how to remove two columns. So we have these and we want to remove the available signs and the total cells from the data frame. And the code will be almost the same thing. DataFrame.drop, and we pass a list, available signs, the name of the first column, total cells, the name of the second column to remove. It is a column and we don't want to make a copy. We go here and we uncomment the prints. We go here and run this. And now we have this result. This is the result of remove one column. So we have here the available signs and total cells, and here we have just name of product, the first column. And let's do the final exercise. We have these and we want these. If you notice here in the after, we don't have the index 1 and the index 3, okay? And again the code will be almost the same thing. DataFrame.drop, and what we want to drop? The row 1 and 3. It is at x is 0, which means that it is a row. In place true because we don't want a new copy of this data frame. Let's uncomment the prints and go here and run these. And we got this result. Remove two columns, the previous result, and remove rows. If you notice here, we don't have the index 1 and the index number 3. Don't forget that you can download the source code. Please give a like to this video, and as always, thank you for watching.